Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending April 7th, stocks were mostly lower as growth concerns and weaker than expected economic data pushed investors to the sidelines. Construction spending declined 0.1% in February and has remained relatively flat for the past few months, with weakness in private construction. The ISM manufacturing PMI continued to weaken in March to its lowest level since May of 2020. After peaking in December of 22, the number of job openings decreased by a combined 1.3 million in January and February, bringing it below 10 million for the first time since June of 21. The ISM Services PMI was lower than expected in March, declining to 51.2 from 55.1 in February. Although the services sector is weak, it still is in expansion territory. Initial jobless claims decreased by 18,000 to 228,000 during the week ending April 1st. And finally, non-farm payrolls increased 236,000 in March, most of which came from the service sector. The unemployment rate declined to 3.5% from 3.6%, with the labor participation rate increasing slightly to 62.6% in March from 62.5% in February. Year to date, the Dow is up 1%, the S&P is up 6.9%, and the Nasdaq is up 15.5%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.3%. Oil closed at $80.46 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,009.40 an ounce, with silver closing at $25.03 an ounce. For this week of April 10th, on Monday we'll get wholesale inventories. Tuesday, the Fed presidents from Chicago and Minneapolis will give their economic commentary. Wednesday, we'll get the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, Core CPI, which is CPI less food and energy. CPI measures the monthly change in prices consumers pay for goods and services. Thursday, the Producer Price Index, or PPI, Core PPI, and initial jobless claims will be reported. And on Friday, a busy Friday, retail sales, the Import Price Index, industrial production, business inventories, capacity utilization, and consumer sentiment all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions pertaining to your portfolio or anything you've heard in this video, give me a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.